G'day guys, my name's Brendan and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a round headed mallet without a lathe. Let's get into it. Okay, so what the problem is, well, it's not a problem, but because I've made the mallet head round and down under here is square, I need to carve that in nice and neat to the shape of the mallet head. So I think I'm going to use some Japanese tools I've got for that, so I'll just delicately carve that in so that connection and transition's nice and neat. Now I'm just probably going to go freehand on this handle shape. I don't want to try and make it too perfect. I just want to make it good by feel. So you can get bogged down in trying to make everything super perfect. I think it's going to look just fine. So I'm happy just to sort of scribe in a rough line that I want to have on the handle. Then get the shape in. See, what the problem I find is people really get too finical on trying to make everything so perfect that they tend to put their projects off, or they get halfway through and don't complete them. But I mean, is this thing perfect? Absolutely not. Does it feel good? Has it got good weight? Yeah, it does. So try not to spend too much time getting bogged down in making everything absolutely perfect. I love it. Alright guys, so there she is, all nice and done. Rounded over the top as well to match the shape of the mallet head. Now I'm going to use some Feast and Watson liming wash to stain this thing up. Not my go-to, but I don't have any tung oil left, so let's see how it comes up. Alrighty, if you like what you saw today, please like, share and subscribe. Even drop in a comment if you want to know more. But until then, I'll see you on the next one.